So as we can see here, we have a Walthers mainline Union Pacific SD70ACE. And on the front, we have the wings and the shield logo. We also have ditch lights, grab irons, and steps. We have a headlight up here with the number boards and a coupler and a snowplow down there. And on this side, we have the number 8316. SD70ACE is very small. Nice wheel truck detail there as well. And there's a cab interior, and the windows don't open. On this side, there's a vent with some more panels. Very vibrant American flag. There's the generator. There's Building America, the Union Pacific Shield again. Once again, there's a flared radiator as well, with some panels, and also some handrails. On the back, we have a rear headlight here. We have more numbers. And we also have some grab irons and steps, and rear coupler as well. And if we take a look on the other side, once again, we have the flared radiator here. We also have a panel, a wheel, Union Pacific Shield, Building America, the vibrant flag, once again. I also really like the gray and the yellow and the red, how they all contrast really well together. We also have handrails here, some fuel tanks, and there's also a door that leads into the cab on that side as well. And on the top, we have horn right in the middle. We also have some fans and a little panel right there as well. And on the underbelly, we have wheels and the generator. That's pretty much it. So it's about time that I got a new Union Pacific locomotive. And I went to Texas a while ago and I saw a couple of Union Pacific Aces, and I saw one in this paint scheme, not the same number, but in the same paint scheme, that was just parked, and I got a picture of it. It wasn't actually my YouTube profile picture for a couple of months, and I just wanted to get an Ace for myself because, yeah, I wanted a new UP locomotive, and now I finally have one. So this thing is looking amazing. And speaking of looks, here's a little comparison between my two diesel UP locomotives. Of course, I have the steam engine over here that's also Union Pacific, but the steam engine. So I'll just be comparing my diesels for this. So this is a Walthers mainline, and this is Cotto, and this is also built by General Electric. This is a C44-9W, and this is a SD70ACE. So as we can see, the nose on the Dash 9 is the headlight is on the nose, and the headlight in the SD70ACE is on the top. Of course, the column model is windshield wipers, and they both have ditch lights, but the column model has the MU cable. They also both have snow plows, and on each of these models, they both have the Union Pacific Shield. The column model has it on near the front, whereas the SD70ACE has it near the back. There's also Union Pacific, the text, and then there's a flag there in the middle. And on the top, they both have their horns in relatively the same places, except of course for an EMD and then GE diesels, a lot of things are going to be pretty different. Take a look at the back. They both have their headlights near the top, and they both have numbers near the top as well. Except, of course, the column model has the MU cable on the back as well. It's also missing some handrails because I've had this locomotive for a while, so it's been through a lot. And this side looks pretty much the same, except there's some fuel tanks there above the generator. There's some fuel tanks on that side as well. So that's a little comparison between my two UP diesels, and now I have 3 Union Pacific locomotives, counting the steam engine total. So now, let's run this thing.